Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Wow. Oh my goodness. So this first DIY is just amazing. I am just in awe of this design right now. And then she's going in and adding gold. Wow. Oh, this is incredible. I feel like I need to see like a full tutorial of that because this is just such a cool design and vibe. Oh, I love it. Very nice. So the next one involves some Dollar Tree items. Again with some more crystals for this one. Whoa! Okay, she just made her own chandelier. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, wow. Such a cool design. And then here we have someone taking their old like coffee container and turning it into a light. Wow. This is very impressive. I mean, the first two DIYs were like really cool, but this is such a fun idea. And it doesn't seem too complicated either. Wow. And then we have a DIY table. Okay, so I guess we're not gonna actually see how they make this. We're just gonna take a look at it. It looks like a very short like coffee table, but very cute. I wonder how they made that. And then we have a DIY plant design. So they're using some bottles for this, some cardboard. This would be like a cute little decor piece to put in like your kitchen, at like the kitchen sink or something. You could put like herbs in there, that would be nice. And then have like fresh herbs when you're cooking. I love that idea. I like the leather strap detailing too on the side, very nice. With the gold studs. Oh, they added leather detailing to the top of the bottles too. Nice. Very cool and simple project idea for sure. Ooh, so we have another lamp DIY. Okay, so they basically added some like tropical theme. Oh wait, they're doing like several different ones. Okay. So we just see a bunch of lamp transformations here. Whoa. Oh, that is a nice upgrade. Very cool. They use the wooden spoon tops for that, by the way. So for this last DIY, it looks like they're making some kind of container or some sort. Nice little decorative container. And you can just throw like your knickknacks and stuff in that. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY projects with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.